Your first Upwork job usually has nothing to do with your skill level. It usually comes down to whether your profile looks safe enough for a client to risk hiring you. That's the real game. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest way to get your first job on Upwork without wasting weeks sending random proposals. Start with your profile. Before you apply anywhere, fix 3 things. First, your title. Don't write freelancer or expert. Write exactly what clients search for, like WordPress developer, video editor, or social media manager. Second, your portfolio. Even if you have no clients, upload 2 to 3 sample projects. If you edit videos, upload edits. If you write, upload samples. Clients care more about proof than history. Third, your bio. Keep it short. Explain what you do, who it helps, and what result you deliver. Now the part most beginners mess up: job selection. Do not apply to jobs with 50 proposals. Go for fresh listings under 10 proposals. These give you better odds. Filter by payment, verified, too. That removes a lot of dead-end clients. Next, your proposal. This matters more than your profile. Keep it under 150 words. Open by mentioning their exact problem. For example, I saw you need product descriptions for your Shopify store. I've written similar copy focused on conversions. That tells them you read the post. Then give 1 proof point. That can be a portfolio sample or relevant experience. End with 1 simple question. Example: do you already have product specs ready? That increases replies. Now, pricing. For your first job, don't race to the bottom. If similar jobs pay $100, don't bid $20. A low price can make you look risky. Bid close to market, but focus on smaller jobs. A $50 to $150 fixed price project is easier to win than a $2,000 contract. That first review matters more than the money. One more thing, apply daily. Send 5 to 10 focused proposals every day for 1 week. That's enough volume without burning connects on bad fit jobs. Quick recap. Fix your profile first. Target low competition jobs. Write short, custom proposals. Start with small projects. Your next step is simple. Update your profile today and send your first 5 proposals before logging off. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more freelancing breakdowns.